Hello everybody and welcome back down the creek. So it's been a while since I've made a video. I've had some personal things going on and it's been a while since I've been able to put out some content or actually even do some fishing. I haven't been fishing at all. But I got some time today, so we're gonna give it a try. So today's video we're gonna do some catfishing, and you know what, I've caught a lot of catfish but I've never put them on a scale. Somebody gave me this Dr. Meter scale. So I think what the goal today is I want to start keeping a tally of my PB weights, lengths, etc. For fish, and I'm going to start to post them in the comments on the page. So today we're going to use some nightcrawler and see if we can catch a PB or a channel PB catfish. So stay tuned for that. And remember guys, our goal this year is 500 subscribers, and we've been making heck of headway towards that number. And remember, if we meet that goal of 500 subscribers, I'm going to give out the location of one of my top secret fishing spots in Southeast Michigan. And it's going to be enough information that you guys will actually be able to go there and fish and catch fish. So make sure you subscribe, make sure that you share this video and get the content out there. So let's get into the video here, start doing some fishing and see if we can catch a PB catfish. I don't know what it's gonna do for me today, but we're gonna give it a shot. Let's get into the video. There we go guys, now we're fishing. Oh, I lost them. That was a good one guys. I set the hook and I lost them. So that's quite a few times now that I've set the hook and I felt weight but then nothing was there. So I'm gonna go get a fresh hook. I'm gonna try putting a new hook on. I think maybe this one is dull and I'm not getting a good hook set because of that. So let's get that changed up and see if our luck gets any better. All right, now that the hook's changed, we're gonna see if that makes a difference. Well, that there goes to show the importance of a sharp hook. I didn't even set the hook. I didn't even know what was going on, and then there was a fish there. So that was probably my problem. It's a decent panfish. Let's get him off the hook. Nice little panfish. We're gonna let him go. Got him. Got him. Feels decent, whatever it is. Well, that's embarrassing. Thought I had one. Not so much. I'm getting a lot of bites, but I'm having a lot of misses. So either the fish are just smart today or they're small. We'll see. Okay guys, so I've been having a lot of bites, setting a lot of hooks, but I haven't come up with anything, and then I'm robbed. So my suspicion is that I got a lot of small fish fooling with my worm. Now if I wanted to confirm that theory was right, all I would do is downsize my hook to see if I start catching fish. A lot of times if you just want to catch fish and you're getting a lot of bites and it's small fish, you can downsize your hook and then catch a whole bunch of small bluegill that are, you know, eating your worms, and it turns into a blast, especially if you're fishing with kids. The reason I'm not going to downsize my hook is because I want to catch a big fish. I'm not so much interested in catching a bunch of small ones, but I'm pretty sure that that's what's happening. So I'm going to try and adjust where I'm casting to maybe change to a bigger school of fish. Got him. That is a fish. Not a weed this time. Oh yeah. Trying to keep the pressure on. I didn't get a really good hook set, and he is running right towards me. Goodness. I have a net, but it's out of reach. Oh, he's too big to drag up. I'm gonna take a chance and try and get the net. Got him. Finally caught myself a decent fish today. They were trying my patience for sure. Oops. There we go. Nice cat. Got a little cabbage from the yard. Let's see if we can get a weight on him. see. Like 4.3, 4.4, 4 pounds. I'm not sure if that comes out on the camera or not. Right about 4 pounds. 4.42 is what the scale says. Hold on, buddy. So 4.42 pound catfish, pretty awesome. Let's say that's my personal best that I've ever weighed. I've caught bigger than this. But we're going to put this up on the board as 4.42 is the biggest catfish I've ever caught on the channel and weighed. So let's get him back and see if we can catch another one. And he swims away. Man, those guys, they're slimy. Let me tell you what, these hand towels are just great. They're mechanic shop towels. You can get them on Amazon. They're super cheap. I suggest if you like catfishing, bank fishing, boat fishing, get them because I don't like having dirty hands. Let's rig up and see if we can catch another one. All right. Well, guys, I'm going to wrap it up for today. It wasn't a big numbers day, but we did complete our goal of catching a new PB catfish. So even though it's probably not my lifetime, all-time PB, I've never scaled a fish before ever in my life. I've always just caught them, oh hey, enjoyed it, and then put them back or ate them depending on the type of fish. So the scale is going to be a really cool addition to the channel. I'm going to start keeping a tally of PB weights per species and maybe even some links for like smaller fish like panfish and perch when we start catching those, because we do catch a lot of those here down the creek. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was enjoyable for me to get out here and do what I do. I enjoy making videos for you guys, so hopefully I'll be able to pick back up on the content once my life returns back to normal. Everybody knows how it is. Things in life happen, and we have to put attention where we have to put attention. So remember, guys, until then, tight lines and get out and live. All right, guys, I'm going to throw in a little pro tip here. After you go fishing, man, you get that fish smell on your hands, and even if you use like hand soap in your bathroom, or we've been using ultra dish soap in our hand soap so that we get the antibacterial hand soap. But it doesn't take the smell of the fish off your hands, so you still smell fishy. And my wife doesn't like that. She doesn't like it when I'm touching on her and stuff. My hands smell like nasty fish. So how do you get rid of that fish smell, guys? Well, here's how you do it. You get your hands wet. You just take some of your toothpaste. Put a dollop of toothpaste on your hands. Wash your hands with that toothpaste. Minty fresh. Try that next time.